Hey guys, Keyiter here. Welcome to another episode of my devlog. I'm making a 2D puzzle game called Soul Blossom. After testing the second level a bit, I came to the conclusion that it is too big. Not like there was too much content, I mean, it was too big compared to Soul Boy and every interactable part. Because of that, there were a lot of empty spaces and it was hard to see what's going on the screen. So I scaled it down a bit. Now it's about 75% of original size. It definitely feels better to fly through a bit smaller map. But the scale isn't the only problem that caused readability issues. First, I made the leaves on the foreground less transparent. Then, as I said in the previous video, I added a sprite mark that hides them in the close distance of the player. It alleviated the problem a bit, but the game layer was still merging with background. To fix this, I played a bit with lighting and made the game layer a bit darker, to make it more distinguishable from the background. I also adjusted the parallax scroll so that the direct background elements are no longer flying randomly, and split holes in the trees to separate layers so the player no longer flies through solid obstacles. So I went from this to this. I also fixed a bit the parallax effect on the road to the castle, because it looked really bad last week. Okay, enough of the last week's fixes. Now let's talk about new things. The story in Soul Blossom is not really complex. It's simple, without any branches. But still, I wanted to add some dialogues to give the player a slight idea on what's going on in this world. So I implemented a simple dialogue system, without any response options, just a linear dialogue loaded from the JSON file. I won't go into details how I did this. If you're interested, you can check out my tutorial on that. It's only a minute long, but going back to dialogues in Soul Blossom. The dialogues are mostly false when the player enters the room or reaches a certain position. I wanted to keep it simple, without interaction with NPC or anything like that. Actually, I implemented it a while back, but I finally managed to make a graphics for the dialogue window. I want to make every interface element in similar style. I think that it really fits the topic of the game, and I really like how the growing animation turned out. But maybe you have a different opinion. Let me know what you think about it. I've been really busy lately, so today was a bit shorter episode. But hey, if you've enjoyed it, leave a like, comment and subscribe, as this really cheers me up. That's all for today's episode. See you again in the next video.